Here's a quick tutorial of how to purchase tickets to see Willow and Into the Woods. You're going to click on the link. It will bring you to the Willow Henry box office. You're going to select the show, which is Into the Woods Junior. You're going to click on the Purchase Tickets tab, and then you're going to pick the date and time that works best for you and select seats. When you select your seats, they'll be highlighted in the green. When you're finished, you press Add to Cart. And then, this is the important part, click Assign to Student. The area is Kenosha, and the student is Willow Henry. Be careful because there's another Willow, but you want to select Willow Henry. And then click Assign, and then check out as you normally would with any other online payment. Thank you.